Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to connect FTMO to MetaTrader 5. First, open the MetaTrader 5 app on your device, then sign up or log into your account. I'm already logged in. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on Manage Accounts and then tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Now, tap on the search bar and search for FTMO. From the list, select FTMO Global Markets Limited. After that, tap on the currently selected server and choose the FTMO server. Now enter your account login details, type in your password, and tap Login. That's it. Your FTMO account will now be successfully connected to MetaTrader 5. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.